congratulate Messi Frankfurt, who has brought us after this pandemic situations. Physical probably will be the first one.
So good to be kind of back and be able to do this in person. Certainly for me, this is the first time I'm back at a physical conference event since the pandemic struck. So very happy to be here.
Firstly, I would like to thank Messi Frankfurt. We've had enough of online Zoom meetings and calls. It's never the same as meeting in person, and the warmth which is there, the exchange which can take place.
May I first compliment and congratulate Messi Frankfurt for bringing this 5th edition of India's largest natural gas summit.
It's good to be back to a physical conference after a span of almost a year.
This is my first not online but offline conference that I've attended in a year and a half. So congratulations for organizing this. So we are here face to face. It gives some confidence in terms of that things will normalize soon.
I think it's the first physical event after a very long time, and it was great to see people in person after having seen them for so long just on screens.
Initially when I was told to be present here, I had second thoughts about it. But now that I'm here, there's a lot of confidence now.
Messi Frankfurt team organizers, really happy to be associated for you continuously for the last 2 years, and congratulations for hosting this physical conference. The strategy is gearing up and looking at the new normal. I think the new normal is also to have more of these physical conferences.
First of all, thank you very much, Messi Frankfurt and Rail India Conference, to invite me here to share my first-hand experience of handling 80,000 crore worth dedicated freight corridor. This is the first conference I have attended after the pandemic, after 1 year. This is the first conference, and it has been organized very beautifully.
This is one of the first event where we are meeting non-virtually. I believe that there is no match of having a face-to-face interaction with our clients, customers, and the industry professionals.
And you've taken a brilliant initiative to start the first physical conference. I really want to compliment you and put a hand for you. You guys play a very important part in building the industry. I'm sure behind this initiative of yours, many more companies will be able to come back again and do that business.
It's a great achievement that we have all gathered here today.
First of all, shout out to the organizers. It feels great to be part in a physical conference, right? I've done virtually many times, but it's great to see my colleagues and my friends in the fraternity.
Hats off to you guys. I think in this challenging time you have managed really well. So my appreciation to all the organizers. I think it was a great experience to be a part of this, and this was after 1 year we could attend physically.
A wonderful organization by Messi Frankfurt. Honestly, I was not sure that we will have such a large audience here looking at the pandemic. But the way they organized, the way they are following up, yes, it worked.
So over the past 1.5 years almost, we've been doing virtual conferences, virtual meetings. But now, once we are back to physical world, it feels good.
In fact, in such challenging times, the fact that they have been able to, make this possible, that itself is, a great achievement, I would say. It was a welcome break from the regular online kind of conferences and the meetings that we were having.